peppy, girl. Shit. What is up, YouTube? Dropping the sequel to Who Should Not Buy the Lowrider S. This one is Who Should. All right. This video is going to be a whole lot easier to make than the one on Who Shouldn't, because I had to pull some things out of my ass there to make kind of a video. I'm going to be honest with you. So, all right. For starters, the person that should buy the Lowrider S is the person that wants a bike that they can build almost from ground up. Now, obviously, ground up more or less means frame and nothing else. But if you want a functional bike, a reliable bike that you can slowly turn into your own, the Lowrider S is perfect for you, okay? I honestly don't think I could find you another bike that would be more suited than this one for that one specific asset. Or asset. Reason? Definitely not asset. Reason. Okay. Well, anyway. You know, you have like the Indian Scouts, right? And they do have aftermarket, right? They do have a large majority, but still not as much as, well, for one, overall Harley Davidson, but two, I don't even think there's as many brands making stuff for Indian as they are for Harley. Now, don't get me wrong, it's not like I sat there and counted, but the amount of websites that I see offering parts for Harleys versus Indians, a lot more for the Harleys. And the Softail platform is always supported. I've never been let down. I would say the biggest problem is having too many options, because you're just going to sit there and overthink it. I promise you, that is my biggest thing, and I know everybody else has that problem too. All right, so that's number one. Number two, you want the perfect bike that meets the criteria of being in between a cruiser, but also something a little bit peppier, right? Something that has that can keep up with your boys on the MTO7s, maybe obviously not top speed wise, but MTO9s, and if anybody's rocking any kind of other V-twin, you're right there with them, man. You're right there with them. It's not a problem. In my previous videos, I said I paid $21,500 for this bike, which is 1000% true, but I have been getting comments saying that they're getting them brand new off the showroom floor for under $20,000. If that's the case, I would recommend this bike to more people. Maybe even some of the things that I said I would take back, because this bike under $20,000 is way more worth it than this bike over $20,000. So I really hope that's true, and I hope people are finding great deals on these fucking bikes, because I love them. Oh, you know what? There's actually speed traps going on down here. I had to pass them on my way to go home to get the bike to make this video. Sorry, I'm rushing a little bit because this is the last day I'm gonna be able to make a video this week. We got a hurricane pushing in, so that's gonna be fun, and I only have a little bit of time left till that sun goes down. All right. So yeah, happy medium, right? In between the sport cruisers, the naked bikes, and a full-on cruising bike like a fucking, I don't know, whatever kind of baggers, right? You know, I mean, I get it, man. I get it. So that leads me to my next thing. If you want something that is set up for maybe cruising as time goes on, nice bike. Oh, there's my boy. That's my boy right there. Anyway, the slim profile of this motorcycle is what really caught my attention. I don't know if I'd ever enjoy a larger frame, big bags. I don't think I could enjoy that. I like the, look at this fucking flickability, my boy. I mean, that required nothing. I mean, it's a little bit heavier than the other bikes that I've ridden. Obviously, it's a fucking Harley, but still no complaints. We're gonna pull over here and do a quick walk around because I wasn't able to do that at the entry of this video. We're gonna leave the bike on for this one. It's gonna be quick, but the Lowrider, man, y'all gotta love it. Y'all gotta love it. Got the instant 360 going too, but got that sun hitting nice, man. Ooh, it's a beautiful fucking bike. I mean, I could honestly recommend this bike to more people than I couldn't, but there might be a few. Let's get a quick close-up. All right, let's get back on it, man. All right, who else should buy this bike? This bike is made for you. If you like girls, man, this is the bike for you. They lurking right now, son. Holy shit. God, I really wish I could say a person that does either highway or city driving, like if you do one or the other, this bike's for you. But the bike handles both so fucking well. And I'll give my example here in a second. So, yeah, it really does. All right, so check it out. Let's say we're cruising. I need a fucking overtake, right? Well, the low end torque's gonna give me the fucking that exhaust. The low end torque's gonna allow me to get up and go off a light, you know, around steady moving traffic, all of those things. At the higher speeds, right? I'm doing 65. A quick drop of the gear, man, and I mean, you're pulling, and that's only 5th gear. I could have put that bitch in 4th and really had a good pull going. So it handles both highway and city riding extremely well, and you'll love that low end torque that the Milwaukee 8 provides for city riding. But you'll also love, after you get it tuned, that top end. You'll love that top end that the bike has. And again, this is after a tune. If you go to my 4,000 mile review video, I floored a few times in there. That was before the exhaust and tune. You'll see how weak it is after about 3,500 RPMs. But this isn't a review. This is who is this fucking bike for. I get sidetracked a lot. Sorry, guys. Again, man, the customizability of this bike is really who I think should buy it. They want a reliable platform that they can ride from day one, but also build it to their liking, including performance, right? Obviously, you can do cosmetic, but the performance aspect is still there too. And the sky is the limit. If you have enough funds, man, go out there and get yourself a fucking stage 4 kit and turbo the fucking bitch, dude. I don't know. Do it. And now we get to enjoy the views real quick. And again, guys, this is only quarter throttle and I'm picking up speed that quick. Full throttle, you know, I don't try to absolutely destroy this bike, but I definitely ride it how it should be ridden. That's what I like to say. And you know, on the more objective side of things, or subjective, I don't know, that's why I'm not a language arts teacher. You know, it is nice getting compliments on your bike. If that's something that you like, you enjoy, you just make the old lowrider look nice. And I promise you, you get complimented all the time, on the street, at the bars. You'll get the girls. I'm telling you, man, that's why you want this bike. You'll get the girls. Thank you. Look at, I literally I told you, man. I told you, bro. Thanks, man. Oh, man. I'm literally talking about you're gonna get compliments no matter where you at. And I'm getting a fucking compliment right there. Oh, man. You love it, man. It makes you feel good. Let you know that, you know, you're doing something right. All right? Man. Yep, there they are. I know he's getting them one. I know he's getting them one. Oh. What a great day, man. Work was good. I gotta take the bike out. I beat the sunset, so that was cool. Yeah. And we got some crazy announcements coming in the future. Mark my fucking words. All right, screenshot it. Be like, yo, what's the crazy? You just wait. You just wait. I really appreciate you guys checking out my video. Make sure you give me a like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what you think. Give me your input. Follow me on Instagram. It's Zizzymoto. Same thing. Don't change. You know, it's across the board on TikTok as well. And yeah, man, ride safe. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. which doesn't mean much. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one.